came to say a quick hi and thank you to everyone that's been watching my video. I've been getting a lot of love and I just wanted to tell you guys thank you. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate the love. It's a blessing you do not understand. I really appreciate you guys. So thank you so much for rocking with me and I will see you guys in the next one. So no, I was not going to leave without telling you guys what was up in my hair. This is day 5. This is day 5 hair. I did my hair on Saturday, right? So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, this is day 5 hair because I did my hair Saturday night, like late. So yeah, day 5 hair and it's looking amazing. I have started to do nighttime routines, and yes, I'm going to film that for you guys. I'm doing my research now before I pop on and tell you guys, you know, you got to do this in order for it to work. But I've started doing my scalp massages. It's pretty much a moisturizing seal with a wash and go even, and I'm gonna attempt to do it with a twist out, but right now I'm loving the convenience of my wash and goes, so we'll see. I'm working on it. I'm working on some new stuff for you guys. All right, like I was saying, I'm working on a growth series on how to keep your hair, retain length, and get length. I know once we all get our hair to a healthy state, we're all like, okay, now what? I'm natural, now what? And I am at that stage in my hair journey of my natural hair. I've been natural now for it's been a year and a month now, even though I transitioned for 18 months. So I've been working with my natural hair for almost 2 years now, but to be completely natural for a year. And all the first year, all I did was protective style. I barely touched my hair. I did braid outs, I did twist outs, I wore my hair in wraps. Yes, I did. I kept it covered. Okay, so what I mostly did was I covered my hair, and I focused on doing my scalp massages. I made sure that I wash my hair weekly, whether it be I do a protein treatment once a month. I do a hair mask, which is like a deep condition, once a week, and then I tried to use a cleanser at least once a month. So I mostly co-wash, which is what I did when I was relaxed and when I was text-lax. So I was like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I did try hair vitamins and I love them, and I actually need to get some more. I tried the Mielle Organics gummies for me and my daughter, and that helped us both a lot. So I'm actually going to order some more of those and give you guys a full review video for that. But yeah, we're mainly going to start focusing on growth, nighttime routines, even with a wash and go. Okay, I don't know where I left off, but what I was saying was that I'm going to start working on a growth series for you guys. I have been getting tons of questions on what can I do to grow my hair? What can I do to maintain my length of my hair? How can I get my hair thicker, fuller? I don't have all the answers. I can only just show you what has worked for me. I'm going to pull out some oldies, but some goodies. We are going to be using affordable products. Every now and then, you know, I got to pop in, you know, and use the products that I get from Curlbox. I'm telling y'all, if y'all can get Curlbox, get it. It's a game changer. I'm telling you. But it's always good to try new products. I know a lot of people out there are like, don't be using, you know, different products, but my hair gets bored. Like, I can use one product today and tomorrow it may not work. And with saying that, it's you got to know your hair. You know what works for you. You know if your hair is susceptible to change, and you know if it isn't. And that's why we try these products. And that's why you guys depend on us as hair vloggers to try new products. I'm like, okay, me and her got the same type of hair. So if that don't work for her, it ain't gonna work for me. Like me, I follow Happy Girl. Hey, Raina, hey. Amen. Hey, girl. But a lot of products that don't work for her work for me. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm so glad that you guys are coming to me and saying, Mika, what do I do? And I'm hoping that some of the tips that I give you will help. So I am going to pull out Old Faithful Wild Hair Growth. I know my sister right above me, she hates that stuff, but it works. So yeah, but she hates that stuff because she don't like the way it smells. But I love it. It works. So I'm gonna start incorporating that. I'm gonna do a whole oil series. We're gonna start working on our scalp massages, nighttime routine. I'm sorry, the lighting is being very disrespectful right now. I'm trying to hurry up so because now you can barely see me, but I'm still here. But yeah, I'm gonna end this now. I'm gonna add in the clip of me doing my nightly scalp massage, and I think I show the oils and stuff that I use for my nighttime routine with my wash and go. It's something that I just started doing, and hopefully you guys like it, and let me know what you would like for me to discuss first in our growth series. I have a ton of topics, but if you guys have more for me to add to my list, let's do this. All right, y'all, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. It's hair growth series. Hi. All right, y'all.